हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू टुडेज व्लॉग। और आपको टाइटल से समझ आ ही गया होगा कि ये व्लॉग किस बारे में है। सो बेसिकली दिस व्लॉग इज अबाउट व्हाट आई एम पैकिंग इन माय हॉस्पिटल बैग फॉर हैविंग अ बेबी, और अ लिस्ट ऑफ व्हाट यू शुड बी पैकिंग इन योर हॉस्पिटल बैग और थिंग्स दैट शुड बी इन अ हॉस्पिटल बैग. So if you're already pregnant and you're watching this video, first of all, congratulations. If you are trying to get pregnant, then I'm sending you baby dust. And if you've randomly landed here, then come on, have fun, watch this, it's informative. Okay, so for the hospital bag, there are a few things that I would like to tell you are important to know, which will help you decide what to pack. Right? So the first thing is, अगर आपको आपके डॉक्टर के साथ डिस्कस करके पता है कि आपकी नॉर्मल डिलीवरी होने वाली है या सिजेरियन होने वाला है या आपको इंड्यूस कर रहे हैं, सो यू कैन पैक अकॉर्डिंगली. फर्स्ट यू कैन टेक दिस इन्फॉर्मेशन, क्योंकि अगर आपकी नॉर्मल डिलीवरी हो रही है तो आप 2 दिन ही रहोगे मोस्ट लाइकली. अगर सिजेरियन हो रहा है तो 3 दिन रहोगे, एंड लाइकवाइज. सो अगर आपको पता है कि आप कितने दिन हॉस्पिटल में रहने वाले हो, so obviously it's going to be easier to pack, right? The second important thing is that who is going to stay with you, right? Who is your mother is going to be there, your husband is going to be there, your mother-in-law is going to be there, or whoever is going to be there, because you will have to pack for them also. So first, these 2 things are very important. Third, you can ask your hospital, what is the hospital providing you with, so that see, it's your choice. The hospital mostly provides with a lot of things, but then there are a lot of people who don't want to go with the things hospital is providing, and they're very particular about कि हम अपना ही लेके जाएंगे. So that's your call. Like my hospital, when I checked with them, they said that you just need to bring baby's clothes and your clothes for going back home. Rest everything is going to be provided by the hospital. But there are a few things still I would like to take on my own, and that's what we are going to discuss here. So these 3 things, if you know that if you know these 3 things, that who is going to be there, what kind of a birth are you having, and what is the hospital providing, so these 3 things will make it a little easier for you to pack your hospital bag. Now I am taking one big suitcase with myself. I am not packing different bags for myself, my baby and my husband. So we'll probably just take one suitcase which has 2 compartments. So the lower compartment can be the baby's compartment and the upper compartment can be ours, because we need comparatively lesser stuff than the baby. So I have in this video I'm going to show you what I am taking, and for myself, and what I'm taking for the baby. My husband has not decided anything. I'm sure he will decide when I tell him that I am having contractions, I need to go to the hospital. That's when I think he's going to decide कि उसको क्या लेके जाना है अपने बैग में. So yeah, let's get started. Without any further ado, let's get started of what we are taking for the baby. Alright, so I don't think I have mentioned, but I'm going to be a first time mom, and currently I'm 38 weeks pregnant, waiting to pop. And so whatever research I have done, मैंने ये सबसे पूछ के करी है. जो मेरे फ्रेंड्स हैं जिन्होंने अभी डिलीवर किया है कुछ टाइम पहले, ऑनलाइन पढ़ के या वीडियोस देख के या अपने सारे बड़ों से पूछ के, जैसे मम्मा, मासी एंड ऑल, ठीक है. सो उन सब ने जो मेरे को बताई हैं इंपॉर्टेंट चीज़ें, मैंने सबकी कंपाइलेशन करके अपना हॉस्पिटल बैग के लिए सामान रेडी किया है. सो फर्स्ट लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द बेबी क्लोथ्स. Now what the hospital has recommended is bring at least 5 sets of clothes, because बच्चे जो है वो 2-3 बार चेंज करते ही हैं दिन में, कभी स्पिट अप या poop explosion. I mean not that मैंने मेरे साथ हुआ है ये सब, बट ऑफ कोर्स जो भी पढ़ के या देख के या सुन के पता चला है वो यही पता चला है. तो ऑलराइट, सो मैंने ऐसे पैकेट्स बना लिए हैं. आई हैव मेड दीज पैकेट्स. आई हैव मेड 3 पैकेट्स लाइक दिस, और तीनों पैकेट्स में 2 आउटफिट्स हैं. आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू. सो ऐसे मैंने, क्योंकि वहाँ पे उस वक्त मैं नहीं निकाल पाऊँगी कपड़े या मैं नहीं सूटकेस खोल पाऊँगी, सो आई विल हैव टू टेल माई हस्बैंड। और अगर मैं ऐसे सब कुछ अलग अलग से रखूँगी तो ही विल, उसको पता भी नहीं होएगा व्हाट आर मिटन्स, व्हाट आर रोम्पर्स, व्हाट इज़ अ वनजी, व्हाट इज़ अ वॉश क्लॉथ, व्हाट इज़ अ रिसीविंग ब्लैंकेट, व्हाट इज़ अ स्वॉडल. So you will get all confused. So that's why I have made everything very simple and I have made these packets जिसमें सब कुछ combine करके है. So every packet has 2 outfit sets. इनमें सब कुछ है, मैं आपको भी दिखाने वाली हूँ, but let me tell you, इनमें these are 2 sets. Then there is a swaddle cloth like a normal muslin cloth जिसमें अगर आपको बेबी के नीचे बिठाना है, बेबी को पकड़ने के लिए अपने ऊपर लेना है, या बेसिकली बहुत सारी चीज़ों के लिए ये काम आते हैं. दीज आर नॉर्मल मसलिन क्लॉथ जो बड़े बड़े स्क्वायर शेप में होते हैं. आप कभी बेबी के ऊपर ऐसे लाइटली ब्लैंकेट अगर कपड़ा भी डालना हो तो भी डाल सकते हो, नीचे बिछाना हो, अपने ऊपर लेना हो, फीड करते हुए अपने ऊपर लेना हो, या बेसिकली किसी भी चीज़ के लिए बेसिकली ये काम आते हैं. सो दिस इज अ लाइक अ मसलिन क्लॉथ. Then this is a swaddle blanket. I'm sure if you're pregnant you know by now what is a swaddle blanket. And this is a burp cloth. So burp cloth अगर आपको ऐसे लेना है burping, feeding वगैरह के लिए, तो that's that. So these 3 things are, one of these, each thing is in each the packet. A burp cloth, a swaddle, and a muslin cloth, or square muslin cloth, a big square muslin wrap. Like you can even call it a receiving blanket or something. So ये तीनों चीज़ें हर पैकेट में एक एक है. Right now see, when I think when you deliver they ask you for a receiving blanket. I don't know if they will or they will not. Like the first कपड़ा जिसमें आप अपने बेबी को पकड़ना चाहते हो या कुछ भी. So just in case they ask me, I have kept this क्यूट सा एक कॉटन का ऐसे कपड़ा है, तो वो इसमें बेबी को रैप करके हमें दे सकते हैं. तो ये सिर्फ इसी पैकेट में है बिकॉज ये डे 1 का पैकेट है, ये किसी और पैकेट में नहीं है. सो आई हैव शोन यू व्हाट आई हैव पैक्ड एज एन एक्स्ट्राज एक्सेप्ट द आउटफिट, 1 swaddle, 1 burp cloth and 1 receiving blanket and 1 that muslin square बड़ा कपड़ा जो मल्टीपर्पज यूज है. अब जो हमने 2 आउटफिट्स पैक किए हैं, अब मैंने हर पैकेट में कैसे पैक किया है, एक रोम्पर सेट और एक वनजी सेट. बिकॉज अभी ऑलरेडी इट्स मे और आई एम एक्सपेक्टिंग लाइक अभी ऑलरेडी 15th में हो चुका है, सो इट्स हॉट. सो आई डोंट नो व्हाट द बेबी इज गोइंग टू बी कंफर्टेबल इन, अ रोम्पर और अ वनजी. सो दैट इज व्हाई ईच सेट हैज अ वनजी सेट एंड अ रोम्पर सेट. सो आई विल शो यू बोथ. So in the romper set, okay, so this is the romper. So cute now. These tiny clothes, they are so cute and they smell so good because ये जो all this is washed, guys. All this I have washed and then packed. See, you have to wash the baby's clothes before you are going to try to make them wear it because बाहर showrooms में या आप ऑनलाइन मंगवाते हो तो उसमें जर्म्स वगैरह हो सकते हैं. तो सब कुछ आप प्लीज़ वॉश करके ही पैक करना अपने हॉस्पिटल बैग में. सो दिस वन आई गॉट फ्रॉम H&M. दिस इज 0 to 1 month. सो आई थिंक ये फर्स्ट डे के लिए ठीक रहेगा. मैंने कोई भी ऐसे प्रीमी या मतलब न्यूबॉर्न क्लोथ्स मैंने कोई भी नहीं लिए हैं. आई हैव जस्ट टेकन 0 to 1 and 0 to 3 months के कपड़े, क्योंकि न्यूबॉर्न कपड़े बहुत कम टाइम के लिए बच्चे पहन पाते हैं एंड आई डिडंट वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन इट. इफ़ यू वांट टू दैट्स कम्प्लीटली योर विश, बट आई डिडंट वांट टू. थोड़े दिन अगर थोड़े खुले कपड़े भी बेबी पहन लेगी तो कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. आई थिंक इट्स कूल. ओके, सो दिस वॉज द रॉम्पर. इसके अलावा देयर इज गोइंग टू बी 1 वेस्ट. सो वेस्ट में भी मैंने एक छोटी सी वनजी ही पैक कर ली है बिकॉज अगर आप रॉम्पर पहना रहे हो तो अगर आप नॉर्मल वाली वेस्ट पहनाओगे तो आई थिंक वो ऊपर ना चढ़ जाए, और अम्बिकल कॉर्ड भी होती है अभी बेबी की जब वो बॉर्न होते हैं, तो आई थिंक वनजी ही ठीक रहेगी अंदर. रेस्ट देयर इज अ हैंकी, स्मॉल हैंकी, कभी आपको बेबी का मुंह वाइप करना हो, हाथ वाइप करने हो या जो भी. देन मिटन्स, a पेयर ऑफ मिटन्स, इसी के अंदर दूसरा वाला है, मैंने ऐसे ही पैक किया है, मैंने कैप में रख दिया सब कुछ, मिटन्स, सॉक्स और एक छोटी सी कैप, राइट. सो ये हमारा फर्स्ट सेट है. दिस इज व्हाट द बेबी वांट टू वेयर द मोमेंट बेबी इज बॉर्न. So it has a romper, it has a vest, it has a handkerchief, it has a cap, it has mittens and it has socks. So this is one set. ये मैं वापस दोबारा वैसे ही पैक करके उसमें रख दूंगी so that my husband just has to pick out this and we have everything, right? Similarly इसी दिन के लिए दूसरा सेट, I think 2 सेट तो बदलेगा ही बेबी या बदलेगी बेबी, right? So that's not वेरी आउट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड थिंग, बट स्टिल अगर नहीं भी एक में ही चल जाएगा काम तब भी एटलीस्ट 2 हमें तो लेके जाने ही पड़ेंगे. सो अगेन लुक एट हाउ क्यूट दिस इज. आई लव मॉम. ऐसा सेम मैंने आई लव डैड भी पैक किया, लेकिन वो मैंने डे 2 के लिए पैक किया क्योंकि डे 1 पे तो आई लव मॉम ही पहनना होगा बेबी को भाई. बट लुक हाउ क्यूट इज दिस, यू नो. या सो सिमिलरली, सो दिस इज अ वनजी. इसके नीचे भी ऐसे ही एक प्लेन वेस्ट है, वनजी वेस्ट, एक छोटा सा हैंकी, वैसे ही कैप वाला सेट. ये कैप है और कैप के अंदर मिटन्स और सॉक्स हैं. आई हैव ट्राइड टू कीप द कलर्स एज mixed as possible, not really, you know, focusing on a gender specific color, so that whatever it is we have all colors and there's nothing like colors. Everybody can wear every color. I in fact love pink on boys and blue. I am wearing blue right now, so there's nothing like that. So ऐसे I have packed. This is for day 2. So this is all the things like this packet has except the receiving blanket. This is for day 3. Similarly, and this is an extra packet. Now you should always have extra. So in this I have 3 outfits and 1 towel. This is not a baby towel. Baby towel ये मेरा ही पुराना towel है, hand towel. It's very cute. It has a teddy bear. तो मुझे लगा इससे बेटर क्या हो सकता है बेबी के लिए. So yeah, this is about the baby clothes. Now the next thing which is very important is obviously diapers. So obviously मेरा hospital diapers actually provide कर रहा है, लेकिन I want to continue with this brand after the delivery. So I thought I better take my diapers. If your hospital is providing the diapers, it's your call if you want to take the diapers or you don't want to take the diapers. That's your call. So these are the diapers. This is the Pampers Active new baby diapers. Yeah. And these are the wipes that I'm taking. These are the Kiko wipes, and I read a lot and a lot of people have suggested these wipes. And another reason why I'm taking these wipes is because it has a closed top, like not that वो जो दूसरा वाला वो टॉप होता है, it's not the closing ऐसे वाला टॉप. if it's the other वो ऐसे बंद करने वाला टॉप, तो बहुत जल्दी वाइप्स जो है अंदर से सूख जाते हैं. so that is why this laptop is good, so that आपके वाइप्स अंदर से सूखे नहीं. so this is about the diapers and the wipes. then of course you need a diaper rash cream because you know, just in case baby को diaper से rash होता है and all. So you need a diaper rash cream. I have the Mom's Company diaper rash cream, and this is another diaper rash cream which is like a more intense diaper rash cream. It's a pseudo cream and this is highly recommended by all moms. So these 2 diaper rash creams I have. The next thing you need for the baby is a blanket. Now I am keeping this. This is actually my Angora wool shawl, and I don't, if you know that what is Angora wool? Angora wool is a rabbit wool and it is very very soft and very nice and warm. And since it is very hot, I don't think I think this will be perfect for the baby, for them. And rest बाकी blanket तो hospital में मिलेगा ही. So but if I have to lightly wrap the baby or lightly just cover the baby with something, this Angora shawl is going to be perfect. And babies love yellow, so you know, yellow. So that's pretty much what I have packed for the baby. Clothes, everything in the clothes, diapers, wipes, diaper rash creams, swaddle blankets, receiving blankets, washcloths, blanket, extra piece of clothing, and everything. Now let's quickly move to what I have packed for myself. Okay, so moving on, let me show you what I have packed for myself. So basically मेरे hospital ने मुझे बताया है that they are going to be providing me with the gowns, and I think I'll be wearing gowns also, and but I'm not sure उस time पे how will I be feeling, So I have kept an option, like I can wear the gowns that they are going to be providing also, and I have kept my clothes also. So first things first, I have kept 3 shirts. Now these are normal, these are not any maternity shirts or anything. These are normal 3 shirts which are front open button shirts. So I can just open the buttons and feed very around. So these are like long loose shirts, and so I've kept 3 of them. All 3 of them are the same pattern mostly. They are like front open, normal, loose fit shirts. So these are the 3 shirts that I've kept. Then I have kept a tank top. This is a nice, like a nice firm tank top, spaghetti top. Like sometimes if you're not feeling very comfortable, maybe you don't feel like wearing a bra at that point of time, so but you still want to feel like a little put together. So I think a tank top is going to be a great option. This has been with me for so many years and it's so comfortable. I need this with me. Then I have kept 2 basic t-shirts, 2 basic t-shirts, a white t-shirt and a black t-shirt. So just in case at night I want to wear this, I don't want to wear the hospital gown and I want to wear a t-shirt and a pajama, so I'm going to wear these. The pajama that I'm going to be keeping for the night is the one I still wear, so that's going to be the last moment stuff. So yeah, these are the 2 t-shirts I think, but t-shirts are really like the easiest, comfiest. If I at any point of time feel like wearing a t-shirt, I have 2 t-shirts with me. Next, these are the pants, pajamas, jeggings, whatever you can call it. So this is one jegging. This is like a yoga pant. It's very comfortable. It's what brand is it? I don't know. Oh, it's an Under Armour, and so this is a very comfy yoga pant, and it rides like till up here. So even if there's any problem, I think even if it's a C, I don't know what am I having. We are just normal, hoping for the normal delivery, but just in case at the situation it's a C-section, you never know. Like you never. In my case, I don't know. We are just hoping for a normal delivery, but rest it's on the God and on the baby. However, so these are one yoga pants. This is a Marks and Spencer jeggings, black jeggings, very comfortable. Again, I wore this my entire pregnancy, and this one also comes up to the belly, above the belly button. So this is also very comfy. And these are H&M tights, like slacks, normal slacks, very comfy again. So these are the 3 things I'm going to be taking as lowers, plus the loose pajama that I'll be taking. So this is what I'm going to be taking in terms of my clothes. Then I have this bag. In this I have my undergarments, my nursing bras, normal bras, my underwears, my socks. Everybody told me to carry socks, so my socks, some sanitary tissues, and my toiletries. So I've already packed my toiletries. These were the extra stock I had, so everything is packed, like all the basic stuff. Some hair ties, some clips, things I've been needing, lip balms, all that stuff. So this is all basic stuff. This is like the toiletries and the undergarments bag, which is ready. I am not being too ambitious. I'm just carrying a little bit of makeup, like whatever I'm doing right now, like a little bit of mascara and a lip balm and a blush maybe. So that's that. I don't know. I'm not fussing over, oh I have to do my makeup in the hospital. Let's see. Some more random stuff like sunglasses, maybe for later on, some Be Safe, some perfume, some roll-on, random stuff in here, which I'll put my phone chargers and everything in this pouch. And I'm going to carry a zipper. My friend highly recommended me to carry a zipper along and told me that it would be really helpful if you have a zipper there, because maybe you don't feel like holding a bottle or a glass and drinking and you feel, you know, thirsty, so you just like do it all the time. So this is what I'm packing for myself. Apart from this, I'm going to pack a few snacks, because I know myself, if I'm hungry, I'm hangry. So I will keep some things to keep myself happy, and I will carry headphones to listen to music, and my husband will be there, and he's like my biggest source of happiness. I'm going to be having a baby, so I'm going to be happy. So yeah, basically I think I have all in all told you what I'm going to be carrying. This is the suitcase I'll be taking along. Yeah, so this is the suitcase I'll be taking and packing all my stuff in here. So yeah, I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Also, I'm also packing a shawl for myself. So this is the shawl I'll be packing for myself. The yellow one I showed you for the baby, this is the same one in pink. So this I'll be taking for myself, just in case I feel like taking a shawl, I'm feeling a shawl, I feel chills or whatever. You never know how it's going to be like, right? So you should have a shawl for yourself too. So yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's about my hospital bag, and I'm pretty excited now. Don't forget to carry your medical papers, your insurance papers, your IDs and everything, your medical history file, and whatever important things are there. The hospital will tell you, they'll give you a list. So make sure you checklist everything. This is basically all. Rest my husband is going to give me clothes, his clothes that I'll pack. Now I'm going to put all this back in the suitcase and pack it. And yeah, we are good to go. We are just waiting. And I hope you liked this video, and I hope you found it insightful. If there's anything that you would want to question or ask, please do mention in the comments below, and I'm just a comment away, and I will certainly want to answer to any questions. And if you have any recommendations also, you can please tell me. And that will be all. I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video, and share and comment and whatever. Right, so yeah, happy days ahead. Bye bye, see you.